speed. They decided to race, who would win? The rabbit was quick, but the turtle had a grin. Rabbit runs so fast, so fast. Turtle moves slow, but he won't be last. In the rabbit and turtle race, you see, it's not just speed, but steady as can be. The rabbit dashed, zoomed ahead. I'll take a nap, the rabbit said. But the turtle kept moving step by step. While the rabbit snored, he quietly crept. Rabbit runs so fast, so fast. Turtle moves slow, but he won't be last. In the rabbit and turtle race, you see, it's not just speed, but steady as can be. And the animals cheer, go turtle go! He's taking it slow, but steady, you know. The finish line's near, the end's in sight. Turtle's still going, he's doing it right. Rabbit woke up with a great big yawn, but the turtle was close, the race almost won. He ran so fast, but it was too late. The turtle crossed first, that was his fate. Rabbit runs so fast, so fast. Turtle moves slow, but he won't be last. In the rabbit and turtle race, you see, it's not just speed, but steady as can be. Remember the tale of the race they ran, slow and steady wins, that's the plan. In the rabbit and turtle race we learned, patience and pace are how you earn.